Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been searching for the perfect mascara that delivers bold, full lashes with a lasting impact, then you're in for a treat today. We're taking a look at the Maybelline Lash Sensational Firework Washable Mascara in Blackest Black. This mascara promises to provide a sensational firework effect with 360-degree lash impact and up to 24 hours of wear. Intrigued? Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Now, the first thing you'll notice about the Maybelline Lash Sensational Firework Mascara is its innovative brush design. The custom Super Spark brush is uniquely crafted to grab and coat every lash, with flex bristles in a spiral firework pattern that are designed to lift your lashes up and out for a full, flared effect. What does this mean for you? Well, it's a game changer when it comes to separating lashes, giving you that fanned-out look without the clumps. What I love about this formula is its smoothness. Infused with provitamin B5, it conditions your lashes while providing volume and length, without the crunchy feel that some mascaras leave behind. You know how some mascaras can make your lashes stiff and uncomfortable by the end of the day? This one doesn't do that. It leaves your lashes soft, even after hours of wear. Plus, it's allergy tested and ophthalmologist tested, making it suitable for those with sensitive eyes or contact lens wearers, which is a huge win. Now, I tested this mascara in real-world conditions. I wore it for a full day, from morning to evening, and I have to say, it definitely holds up. No smudging, no flaking, and the volume and length were there all day long. It's not just about looks, though. I've also noticed that it really separates the lashes, giving that dramatic wide-eyed look. And I love how it can handle some humidity. This one stands the test of a sweaty summer day, or even a couple of tear-jerking moments at the movies. Of course, no product is perfect. The mascara does take a little extra time to remove at night. I'd recommend using a micellar water or makeup remover to gently wipe it off, as it's a bit more stubborn compared to other washable mascaras. But honestly, given its long wear performance, I don't mind that little extra effort. Is it worth the price? Absolutely. For the performance and quality, Maybelline delivers a lot of value here. You get a mascara that not only gives you great length and volume, but also nourishes and softens your lashes with every swipe. Considering how often I reach for this one in my makeup bag, it's definitely worth it. If you're comparing it to other volumizing mascaras in the market, you might find that many are clumpy or don't last as long. The Lash Sensational Firework Mascara is a strong contender, offering that full, fluttery lash effect without the extra mess. Now, is this mascara for everyone? If you're looking for bold, voluminous lashes that last all day without the worry of smudging, this is for you. But if you're someone who prefers a more natural lash look, this might feel a little too intense. As for alternatives, you could look at other Maybelline mascaras, like their classic Lash Sensational, or even their Sky High mascara, if you want something a bit more lightweight but still voluminous. For the price though, it's hard to beat the impact and comfort that this one offers. So in conclusion, this mascara is definitely one of my favorites. It delivers on its promises of volume, length, and all-day wear. And for those of you who struggle with smudging or flaking throughout the day, this might just be your holy grail mascara. Thank you for watching this review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of my future reviews. And if you're thinking about trying this mascara, check the link in the description for more info. I'd love to hear your thoughts too. Have you tried this mascara? Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.